text formatting will show you in this clip how to format text so that it looks beautiful and it's easy to understand. This is text which has not been formatted. This is text, same text which has been formatted. You can see the difference between two. Now I want to format this text. Let me begin with this. The first thing I would like to do is to make column heading look proper. So I'm selecting row number 3 where there is column heading by clicking on this number 3, and I'm clicking bold. But to see all the buttons, first I am clicking here and selecting show tabs and command. So now entire ribbon is available. If I click on data, data tools will be available. If I click on home, home tools will be available. Our most of the buttons are in home tool. So we are selecting here home tool. Again, row number 3 is already selected. I am clicking on B for bold. So now my column headings have become bold, but this video name is not fully visible because it is hidden by second column name details. I want this name to appear in second row. For that, the tool is this, where C is shown as going to second row. It is called wrap text. I'm clicking on it and my word name is going to second text and detail is coming in the column B properly visible. But now I would like to have all the text top aligned. No, detail is bottom aligned. I should go it on the top. And this I want to happen to entire sheet. So I am selecting entire sheet and I am clicking. This is top align, center align, bottom align. Right now it is bottom align. I am clicking on top align. Now it is top align. You see detail has gone on the top. Next, I would like to make bold the row title. Like these are short name of the video. I would like to have all of them bold. So I'm clicking here on A. It is selecting column A. Again, I am clicking on B for bold. Entire column has become bold. Now next, I would like to see this detail. Now B column where I am putting detail name of the video clip, that is very narrow. I would like to increase its width. So again, I am clicking here on the B, that is column title, bringing my mouse pointer to the right edge of the column. It becomes two-sided arrow. I'm pressing mouse button and dragging it. So my column B has become wider. Still there are some information is going outside the column. So I would like to make them wrap text again. This is the wrap text button. I'm clicking on it. So all the additional text which was going outside column B is now going to second row. And since I designed entire sheet top align, this starting, entering, etc. heading are already top aligned. Now let's concentrate on heading. This is my heading of the entire list. I would like to apply green color to it. This is the button to apply color to text. I'm applying down arrow. I want to apply pink color. That color is not available in this color platter. So I'll click on more color and I'll get bigger list of color. Pink color is here. So I'll click here and it will look like this. I'll click OK. So it has become pink. My report or the list is only 2 column width, but this column heading is going beyond that. So I would select first 2 cells and click on this merge and center button so that it is merged. But again, I will have to do wrap text so that everything is visible. Now here width has not changed. So I'll select the row I'll bring the mouse pointer little down on the edge of the row, and it is becoming two-sided arrow. I'm pressing the mouse button and dragging it below. So my column has become, sorry, row has become width, row height has been increased, and the entire column heading is, entire report heading or the statement heading is visible. Now I would like to apply the same formatting to second row also. So there is a simple way to do it. There is a paintbrush here which is called Format Painter. I'm clicking on it. So it has selected all the formatting of this cell. I'm clicking it to A2 and that formatting is applied here. The only thing I don't want here is width. I don't want this much because the heading is small. So I'm again selecting the row, going down, pressing mouse button and dragging up. So now this has become, here also there is little scope for dragging it up. I'm further dragging it up. Now entire things are not visible. To make it visible, I am clicking on this minus sign to reduce zoom, and now I am able to see entire thing together. Now let me improve my remark portion. Again, my statement is 2 column wide only, and it is going beyond. So first I will select 2 column and click on merge and center. Then I'll click wrap text. I will have to change my, I'll go little down and then change the height of the row. It is too much, so again I'll drag up to make it less. Now this is center align. I want it to left align. So here this second row is this left align, center align and right align. I'll click left align button. Now I want only remark to be kept bold. Remaining thing I don't want bold. So I'm going in this cell, double clicking after remark, and then pressing mouse button and selecting everything. Then I am clicking on this bold. So it will remove bold from remaining text. I am pressing outside, so it is now visible. Now most of the formatting is done, but I want to do one more thing. One is this, I want to increase the character size. That is to, sorry, I'll, here is the character size button. I can click here and make it 14. I'll have to increase the row height little bit. With this, one more thing I would like to do, I would like to apply border to all this thing. I'm selecting the entire thing, and here is the border tool. If I click on the down arrow, it shows different option for bordering, particularly on which side border to be applied. I want to apply border on all sides, so I'm clicking on all side border, and with this, this entire thing is visible. To look it at a glance, I can reduce zoom, and now this is how it looks. I would like to do one more thing. I want to apply here background color. So I'm selecting this. This is the background color tool. I'm clicking on left arrow. It is showing me color. I would like to apply this. I'm clicking on this. So with this, I have done formatting. Let us see how did it look earlier? It was like this. And after formatting, we made it like this. So it makes it very easy to understand, and it also looks beautiful. So our video clip is over today. Again, if you like this, just a minute. Now it's fully visible. If you like this, you can go to YouTube channel Excel-Mehta, and in that there is a playlist beginning to learn Excel. You will get more videos. You can also subscribe to our WhatsApp group by sending message to 98252 31592. Bye.